friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a video a lot of you have been asking. So I went through, it took me like at least an hour to get all this intel. So please like this video because it did take the old girl a little bit of research to get all of the Christmas clearance dates from last year and prognosticating for this year. So we're speculating at dates for this video of when items are going to be hitting 50, 75, and 90% off, and some stores even a quarter. Throwing it on the table, if you guys want to get a quick screenshot and then come back to this video. I know a lot of you are probably really busy with a Christmas party or family stuff right now, but this is the dates that I have organized. So the Christmas clearance schedule for this year, because a lot of this will be spilling into January, we're going to call it clearance of 2023. Even though we're not in 2023, that's what we're doing. So Walgreens on the 26th, I'm going to guess they're going to hit 50%, which they've done for the last many years. Rite Aid, I'm assuming it's going to be 50 to 75. Sometimes on the 26th, they go right to 75, which they've done, I believe, last year in the last couple years. Dollar General on the 26th will probably be also 50% off, and they will march that out for 3 or 4 weeks. So not the place to get your Christmas clearance unless there's something you desperately need. Walmart as well will probably hit 50%, but they're a wild card. Sometimes they go to 75 as well. You never really know. And if you're a Midwest shopper and you fancy the Meijer grocery stores, their Christmas clearance is probably going to be 50% on December the 26th. Like Walmart, they really try to get this stuff out the door, so it'll go 50, 75, and 90 by the 1st. They really want their stuff gone quick. Bath & Body Works, their semi-annual sale, which will involve a lot of the Christmas merchandise, starts on December the 26th. I made a full video. I'll link it at the end if you're a Bath & Body Works fan. And then Lowe's has already hit 75. I think they'll hit that 90 pretty quick. I made a video of me getting a bunch of 75% stuff. If you want to see what I got and like, is this worth your time? I'll also link that at the very end. So Walgreens. So if you look at this little printout they have at the store, they started to move their decor and lights at 30% off. A lot of the toys also 40 to 70%. I think those should have been marked down on Black Friday, but they just did it right now. Who knows? But because the date ends on Christmas Day, on the 26th, something will be cleared even more. And that's how these signs typically work. So decor and lights, other stuff like the Yankee Candle, Starbucks, and Squishy Mills, that's going to be the wild card. Is that going to hit 50, 75, and 80? That is an unknown, but that's a lot of stuff that shoppers will really shell out the Walgreens cash for. The Fisher Price was part of it too. That's always one that we're like, is it, isn't it? Gift wrap is always included, and this is when I usually stock up on gift wrap. And then a lot of the food, because it's going to expire, it's not like they can just, what are they going to do with it? They usually include the food. So if this is something that you really want, but do you really want to be eating gingerbread in January? Well, I guess it's a personal choice. But lots of the gift wrap and bags are really of a good quality over at Walgreens. So my prediction is that on Monday, December the 26th, it's going to hit 50. And then last year, it didn't go past 80%, because at 80%, the stores were instructed to pack everything up and it's sent to a clearinghouse out for auction. So people that bid on like merchandise, pennies on the dollar, they buy from many different Walgreens. It gets all boxed up, that sort of thing. There's a guy named Retail Rabbit. He sometimes shows Walgreens unboxings if you are interested in this sort of stuff. It's called Seasonal Shelf Pulls. So it's going to be probably a Tuesday sometime in January where it's going to hit 80%, and you make the decision, is this worth your time, yay or nay? The date is unknown at this time. Let's go to the next store. That is Walmart. Walmart typically puts their stuff on clearance really quick, and even some of the cookies and stuff already 25% off if that's your thing. And they already started like putting some other stuff at 50, but at my market it wasn't. Obviously, what a lot of people, everybody and their grandmother wants are gift sets. So when this hits 50% on the 26th, a lot of people go out. I'm going to make a special video about that. A lot of the Christmas ornaments too, especially if you love to gift these, to pay like $5 for an ornament that's 10, really good value. The thing that I always love to get is gift wrap. So the Seinfeld gift wrap at $4.28, so it'd be $2 and some change. Is it worth it? Isn't it worth it? the fancier gift wrap that's like, the one unicorn in the big boxes. You make the choice. But like, I have a lot of Seinfeld fans in my husband's extended family, so definitely something to grab. Here's the UPC if you want to check on Brickseek on the 26th, just so you can get organized. And then lots of food is also part of this, and a lot of the food is not moving, because when you can barely afford the essentials like a turkey dinner, why would you pay $9 on some, chocolate hot cocoa bombs? So this is something that if you love to clearance shop, definitely the food at Walmart. Yes, the Christmas food. While you're at Walmart looking around, don't be shy to look at these side caps, because often, like, this is a whole display of Betsy Johnson nobody's even touching. $8, I wouldn't mind trying that. A lot of the bags and bows also at Walmart of an excellent quality. I prefer Walgreens, but Hallmark is Hallmark. Good quality. And then some of these ornaments, like for $1.24, you throw that on a gift and it looks like you really put a lot of effort into wrapping a gift for next year. And then these little, like, you put them in your car, these inflatables, I think they're so adorable for $10. That is where the price is right. So last year on the 26th, it hit 50, and then they had a 75, and then by January the 1st of last year, it hit 90. So my prediction is January 1st of 2023, it will also hit 90. My prediction. If you are a Midwest shopper and have a Meijer, prediction time, the 26th, it will hit 50, and then by the 1st, they follow Walmart to a T. It's also going to hit 90. If you love all things Christmas. And definitely they have scanners in the store, those big red boxes, scan stuff to say, like, is this 90? Is it not 90? Like, what is it? General. So if you really want to stretch your money, this is the clearance event that you want to go to. So typically on the 26th, it's going to be 50% off. And then the third Tuesday of January, which will be the 17th, it should hit a quarter. And so every Christmas item remaining will be a quarter. And that's when people go, really, you stock up on everything and anything because it's amazing. And they include everything. So definitely open up that Dollar General app and start scanning. So the last many, many years, it's always that third Tuesday where things hit a quarter, from air care to wrapping paper to food. I mean, it's for $20, you can get half the store, whatever's remaining. And then the week after that, it usually goes to 10 cents, but there's not a lot remaining. So definitely keep this one on the radar too. And the closer we get to the date, and once the memo releases, I'll make videos and show you guys like matchups and stuff and how to really navigate that sale. But this is one that I always go big on. Like, I get probably 50% of all my bags and bows and goodies from this sale. Okay, another pharmacy that's Rite Aid, typically the 26th, they go anywhere between 50 to 60%. I've even seen some years where they go right to 75% the day after Christmas. And then typically January the 1st, they hit 90%. Again, we're going to have to wait and see these dates. But a lot of their toys this week are 60% off. So you'd pay $4 for a $10 toy. So they're already drastically marking stuff down. And from just the little tour that I did of a couple stores, stuff is really not moving. Like, I just, people are not paying $2.49 for this bag at 33% off. So this is a store that if you have one around and you have some bonus cash burning a hole in your pocket and you love Christmas, it might be a time to really spend. Now, I made a video about Bath & Body Works, their semi-annual sale. The 26th is the day where it starts. The first 3 days, it's like the best ever. If you love Bath & Body Works, I made a full dedicated video to this, as I'm a huge collector of this stuff. So check out my video linked at the very end and in the notes. Spectacular, spectacular. And then Lowe's already hit up to 75% off on a lot of this outdoor home decor for Christmas. I am not even a Disney fan, but I love vintage Christmas. So that Mickey and Minnie, I think I paid like $11 for each. I paid $22 for a set, and they were just under $50. I have a whole dedicated video also linked at the very end on what you can find at Lowe's. And I think that'll hit 90 probably the 26th that week sometime. We'll have to wait and see. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.